They got closer. The creature did not flee. However, even observing it up close, the experts couldn't determine whether it was a real megalodon or just a giant shark. A kayaker shared his sailing experience on the foreign internet. As he was paddling on the river, he noticed a light-colored creature. It was massive and bloated and had no eyes. Instead, it had swollen, thick folds of skin. The creature had no reaction to him at all. After he uploaded the video, it was quickly taken down by the channel. It had already gone viral before that. That's explained that this creature matched the description. South Asian folklore called an Egen, a giant, light-colored humanoid cetacean. A diver filmed surviving giant are believed to have gone extinct over 65 million years ago. Authenticity of the video into the video were real. Scientists and marine experts would have gone crazy long ago to report the return of these ancient creatures, so this is highly likely fake at a lake in Canada. A man who came just for sightseeing noticed abnormal ripples on the water surface. The collision was incredibly huge, so he thought it was caused by ordinary fish, so he pulled out his camera and captured the dark serpentine body was gliding just beneath the surface, to be at least 20 feet, since only part of its body was exposed.
Sila naman si Sarah. Grabe, sa presyo naman mga besh. Big addiction ng bulat. Naku, sila naman si Sarah.
I think he's so say hi. Pwede ka na umutang dito kay TikTok dahil meron dito kung sa TikTok may
So, yung conversion only available tayo na
Director made a fortune from it. 6 months later, it knocked on my door. Dad, open the door. I'm starving. I want meat. I just ran down my spine. What was going on? The dinosaur could speak. Dad. The dinosaurs came from the zoo. We can't find it anywhere. Come help us search. Stop searching. It's outside my door. Really? I'll call the director. Your door was custom made. It shouldn't break. You'll be safe when he arrives. One down, answer. Rose, then best. The director wanted it to think like us. Then it could perform tricks for visitors. So we added your genes. We never expected it to talk. You bastard! I'll deal with you tomorrow. Then I hung up. Wonkyo told the director everything. Don't call the police. That dinosaur cost me a fortune. I haven't broken even yet. If it's killed, I'll go bankrupt. That reminded me of last month. The director... The dinosaur crushed the visitor's leg. Remembering that, I called the police. Right after I called, it pounded again. My neighbor shouted, "Who is it? Stop knocking the plate! I'll complain to management." I quickly shouted, "Ms. Lang, get back inside! There's a dinosaur outside." It instantly hindered help! Then I locked the door. I'm no hero. You're on your own. Soon, everything went quiet. I looked through the peephole. Put your hand to the door. No way! To fingerprint marks. How many of my genes? Safer. Then I heard roaring next door. I climbed onto my balcony, and it dragged Miss Wang outside. When it saw me, it ate her open. Damn it, this was deliberate. It wanted me to caused her want. The pain suddenly woke her. She was still alive. Chin-Chin, why did you save me? It hurts so much. Miss Wang, I'm sorry.
ACS Manufacturing
I hate you. Don't die like me. Dinosaur. The director made a fortune from it. 6 months